Hi, my name is Rayna Liu. This is my project 2, analyzing the Airbnb data in the DMV areas. Airbnb is an online marketplace that connects people who want to rent out their homes with the people who want to looking for the accommodation in their location. For customers, they might want to know whether they are getting the reasonable price. For hosts, they might care about which type and the room structure are most popular in the area, and their amenity will be offered most complicated advantages. For this, we will use the Airbnb to help the customer and the host better understand the lodging data in the DMV. I will be done in two steps. First, use the beautiful soups to gather the lodging data from the Airbnb. Then, I'm going to analyze the lodging data in the DMV. Here, I define a function to scrap information from Airbnb with special place to stay and save each web page information into an individual CVS. Here, I use the regular expression to extract the text I want. My purpose is to scrap lodging information on the DMV areas. Here, after all done, I got 45 CSV file. Let's head to analyzing of our data. Here, first I did the data cleaning and the proposing. I read the CSV file into the data frame, and they concatenate 3 data sets together and get a clear data. Here, and with about 700 rows and 25 columns. Then I'm going to do the analyze. Here, I create a word cloud to see the common location in the DMV area. We can see the Washington, Baltimore, and the Stannisville, some Silver Spring. Here, I create another word cloud to see the title name perform. We'll see the provides can be codes. Then I'm going to analyze the type of the lodging in the DMV area. I create a pie chart to display the percentage of the each type and the median price per night in the DMV area. I also create a bar chart with the drop-down menu to display the count of the different types and the median price per night in the different areas. Here, we can compare the median price difference of the same type of the lodging in the different areas through their stake bar chart. And here we can see the Washington, Virginia, and the Maryland. Then I create the correlation metric to display the correlation coefficient between any two variables. We can see the number of the guests, bedroom, bed, and the bath have an impact to their price. Then I create a bar plot to display the different rooms structure and the different number of guests in the different areas. Here, I also create a 3D scale plot to display each lodging's rooms, like structure, number of guests, and the price in the DMV areas. In this degree, we can see the clearance is evident in the 3D scale plot. As the bedroom, bed, and the number of guests increase, so do the price of the lodging. Then, I also create the trip plot to display the proportion of each amenity. The common amenity like the air condition, Wi-Fi, kitchen, and the free parking in the DMV area. And here I display the proportion of each amenity in the different areas. Compare in the bar chart and the Maryland, Virginia, and the Washington. Let's see. Then I compare the top 10 most popular with the best price lodging in the different area. Look at if they have the difference between the type, room structure, amenity, and they offer, and the average price. Here, we have the 12 supply to compare the 3 errors. Finally, I create the interactive program to retrieve the error, guess, rates, and the price to return a list of recommended lodging with the best price. Here we can use the Virginia, like the number 2 guest, and we can choose the 4.525, like the 4, and we can see the 52, like 2. Then we get the list of the recommendations here. Hopefully they will help you better know the lodging information in the DMV areas, whether you are the customer or the host.